Problem number 8. In a test match, average of runs scored by 5 players is 73. If runs scored by 4 players are 130, 85, 42 and 30 respectively, how many runs did the 5th player score? See here, sharing is very difficult. I have already told you the two methodologies are there. One is formula method and one more is the sharing method. Here sharing is bit difficult because how much you have to take from 130, see 130 minus 73, so the remainder what you are going to get, that you have to take. Again from 85 like that you have to do, again for 42 you have to give something, and again for 30 you have to give something. So it's a tedious process. Instead of that you can directly go for the formula. So that is average is equal to sum by n. So sum of 5 matches. So average they have given as 73. So 130 plus 85 plus 42 plus 30 plus 5th match. So divided by 5 is equal to 73. So now you add these 4 values, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So unit digit is 7. Next 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. So 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 here, 287. See, one more additional methodology. In this 130 you consider only the unit digit, that is 0. In 85 you consider only the unit digit 5, in 42 you consider the unit digit 2, and in 30 you consider only the unit digit 0. So 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 0, 7. So you write the unit digit as 7. So next the 10th digit you consider 3, here 8, here 4, here 3. So if you add 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So in 18 you write the unit digit 8 and 1 is carry over, and 1 plus 1, 2. So 287 is equal to 73 into 5. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry over, 7 5s are 35 plus 1, 36. So 287 plus x is equal to 365. X is equal to 365 minus 287. So 8, next 15, next 7. So the answer is 78. Option B is your right answer. Okay, so very simple thing, you add and you cross multiply here 73 into 5, you are going to get the total value 365. In that total value 365, if you subtract 287, you are going to get the 5th player score, that is 78. So option B is the right answer. Problem number 9. The average of 50 numbers is 38. If the two numbers 45 and 55 are not considered, what will be the average of the remaining numbers? So you have two approaches. One approach is the formula method and the second approach is the sharing method. Let me tell you both the methods and you only decide which method you have to use and which method saves a lot of time. So let us go for the first method. See here, we have to calculate the average of the remaining numbers after excluding 45 and 55. Means remaining numbers are sum of 48 divided by 48 is equal to the new average. But I don't know sum of 48. One more data they have given, that is sum of 48 numbers and the two numbers what you are excluding, that is 45 plus 55. Altogether 50 numbers divided by 50 is equal to average. So they have given the average as 38. They have given the average as 38. So based on this data, you can easily calculate the sum of the 48 numbers. Based on the sum of the 48 numbers, you can calculate the new average. So sum of 48 plus 45 plus 55 will be equal to 100 is equal to 38 into 50. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry over, 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19. So 1900. Sum of 48 is equal to 1900 minus 100, which is equal to
1800. So now you have to calculate the new average. So the new average will be 1800 by 48 is equal to new average. So 6 3s are 18, 300, 6 8s are 48. So 300 by 8. So which is equal to 8 3s are 24, 6 carry, 8 7s are 56, 4 carry, 8 5s are 40. The new average is 37.5. So here option C. So this is the traditional approach. One more approach is there, the best approach, that is called sharing approach, where you can save 50% of time from when compared to the traditional approach, that is the formula based problems. For example, the actual average is 38. The total number of people are 50. Among these 50, 45 and 55 are excluding. See, compare the average and their values 45 and 55. 38 is less than 45 and 55. Means when the 45 and 55 is in the group, it has distributed some of the values to the group so that the average can become 38. Means 45 in the group, 45 has given value 7. 45 has given value 7. So 45 minus 7 is equal to 38. So after giving 7, it has become 38, and 55. After giving 17, it is becoming 38. Means the first person is giving 7 to the group and the second person is giving 17 to the group. So they are contributing 7 and 17, altogether both are contributing 24 to the group. So if they are going out of the group, means they are taking back 24 from the group. So this 24 is coming out of the group, which is making impact on the remaining 48. So 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48. So each and every person is reducing by 0.5. So the original fraction was 38. Next, the new fraction will be 38 minus 0.5, 37.5. The answer what you got is 37.5. So if you compare the first method and the second method saves lot of time. Only the thing is how much each and every person is contributed, you have to calculate. Here both the persons are contributed to the group, because after contributing they are becoming 38. So 45 minus 7 is equal to 38, means first person is contributing 7, 55 minus 17 is equal to 38, means second person is contributing 17. Altogether both of them are contributing 24 for the remaining 48 members. So per candidate got 0.5 from these two people. So if these two people are going out of the group, means each and every candidate is going to be subtracted by 0.5, therefore 38 minus 0.5, 37.5. So the average is 37.5, option C is the answer. Let us go to the next question. The average score of a cricketer in 5 innings is 85 and in other 3 innings are 35. Find out the average score of the cricketer in all the 8 innings. See here, it is very difficult to share. The average score of the cricketer in the 5 innings, it is 85, and in the 3 innings it is 35. So how much to share? To whom we have to share? We don't know. If we know the average value, then it is very easy to identify how much we have to share. Here we don't know the average value of all the 8 innings. That is the thing we have to calculate. So calculate the average of 8 innings. So average of 8 innings is equal to sum of 8 innings by 8. So sum of 8 innings they have not given, indirectly they have mentioned in the problem. So the data what they have given is sum of 5 innings by 5 is equal to 85, that is the average of 5 innings. Next, sum of 3 innings divided by 3 is equal to 35. So based on these two data, we can calculate S5 and S3. If we add both the two, we will get S8. So S5 is equal to 85 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 2 carry over, 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42. Next, S3 is equal to 3 into 35, 30 into 3, 90, 5 into 3, 15. So altogether 105. So S5 plus S3 is equal to 425 plus 105. So altogether 530. Altogether 530. So your new average will be, average is equal to 530 divided by 8. So 8 6 are 48. So 5 carry over 50. 8 6 are 48. 8 2s are 16. 8 5s are 40. So your average is 66.25. Option A is the right answer. So very simple. They have given S5 and S3 in the indirect manner. You have to calculate S5 and S3 based on the average 85 and 35 respectively. Based on that, you calculate S8, which is equal to S5 plus S3, which is equal to 425 plus 105. Altogether you will get 530. So 530 by 8, 66.25. Option A is the right answer. Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 11. The average of 100 numbers was calculated as 40, but later it was found out that while calculating this average, 83 was taken in the place of 53 by mistake. Find out the correct value, or find out the correct average. See, in the place of 53 they have taken as 83. So from the sum you have to subtract 83 and you have to add 53. For this problem also we have two approach. One is the traditional approach or the formula approach, and for the second method is the sharing approach. So sharing approach saves a lot of time. For this problem, let me tell you both the method. From the next problem onwards, I will go for the shortcut methods. So which method is suitable for that problem, I am going to use that method. So 100 numbers, 40 is the average. So sum of 100 numbers by 100 is equal to 40. So sum of 100 numbers is equal to 4000. In this 100, 83 is also included. I have to subtract 83 because mistakenly they have considered 83. So in the place of 83 we have to take 53. So subtract 83 and replace 53. So minus 83 plus 53. So which is nothing but 4000 minus 30, which is equal to 3970. So the new average will be 3970 by 100. So which is equal to 39.7. So option B is the right answer. So this is the traditional approach. One more approach is there where you can save a lot of time and you can solve orally. So let us go for the second approach. 83 is taking back, 53 is replacing. So altogether 30 is taking back. So minus 83 plus 53, minus 83 plus 53, which is equal to minus 30. So minus 30 is reducing. Altogether minus 30 is reducing, which is making impact on these 100 numbers. So which is equal to minus 0.3, which is equal to minus 0.3. So the average was 40. Now the average will be 40 minus 0.3, which is equal to 39.7. Very simple. Orally you can calculate. See, 83 was taken in the place of 53. So we are removing 83 and we are replacing it by 53. So altogether we are taking back 30. 83 we are removing, so minus 83, 53 we are replacing, so plus 53. So altogether minus 30. So 30 we are taking back. So which is making impact on all the 100 members. So minus 30 by 100, which is equal to minus 0.3. So 40 minus 0.3, 39.7. So in the previous problems, so in that also I have implemented the sharing concept. There it was impacting only on 48 members because 2 members were coming out. So I had calculated on 48. Here the person is there. So 83 is coming back and 53 is going into that place. So altogether we are having 100 members. So on all the 100 members I have to calculate. So minus 30 by 100, which is equal to minus 0.3. So 40 minus 0.3, 39.7. Orally you can solve the problem. Hardly you may require 5 to 8 seconds to solve this problem. So let us go to the next problem, problem number 12.